Hello everyone. See you again. Now we are arrived in Mainz, Germany. Mainz is an independent city. Mainz is notable as a transport hub for wine production and for its many rebuilt historic buildings. Mainz is a river port city in the Rhine River. Mainz was heavily damaged in World War II. More than 30 air raids destroyed most of the historic buildings. The Electoral Palace in Mainz is the former city residence of the Archbishop of Mainz, who was also Prince Elector of his electoral state within the Holy Roman Empire. It is one of the important Renaissance buildings in Germany. The Theodorhaus Bridge is an arch bridge over the Rhine River, connecting the Main Castle district of the Wiesbaden